How to fix charging issue on your iPhone device. If you're having issue while charging your iPhone, then this video is for you. Whenever you charge your phone and phone is charging but percentage is not increasing, then you have to first launch your settings to fix this issue. Once you launch your settings, go through general and hit on the software update and make sure that your system is up to date. If you see any update now button, then simply hit on that to update your system. Once you check that, the second step is to check your cable. Try changing your cable. Sometimes cable might cause this issue. The third option is you have to make sure that your charging port is not dirty. Make sure to clean it time to time. Once you follow all of these steps, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.